Hi everybody, back again from Non-Zero Studios, and if you were following along in the first one, you should have a similar screen to mine. If you weren't, you need to make sure that you look in the manual and you have created these two objects, and that you have all of the tags and all of the layers necessary for the platform creator to work. And this is the platform creator. We're going to go over how to make a basic map today. So the first thing is name your map. I don't know what I want to name my map, which I should have. I'm just going to call it a dungeon. Dungeons. So I don't have the same name. And oh, actually I did not change this because I didn't hit enter. So I'm going to name this dungeon as I did. Hit enter. So here's dungeons. Width and height. Since I'm just doing a basic thing, I'm going to do 10 by 10, and then I'm going to hit create map. So now I have a map called Dungeons, and here it is. So, mix all these cells, and they're all 64-bit tile sizes. So now if we go to the tile painter, we can dock this so that it doesn't pop up constantly, and we can choose tiles that we want to paint, obviously. So on layer 0, that's the furthest back, farthest one to see. Let's paint just some stuff for examples. There we go. So we're going to paint this, and it is the ground, so we need to make sure it has a collider. The collider will make sure things do not fall through it. And that is it. So let's paint the ground. If you use the hand tool, you can just click and drag, which is a lot easier. Alright, so there's the ground. Let's see. We could make a little platform. Use the right click to delete. Let's make our platform look a little better. Just click. I didn't add the collider. Let's delete it. Let's add the collider. Click. Add the collider. Add the collider. Click. Okay, so now we have a little platform that our character will jump on eventually. Let's add some superfluous art. Let's do an arrow where our guy starts. Let's do a sign where our guy ends. And since I didn't click collider, he will not bump into any of this stuff. And let's add a bush. Let's delete that, but let's add a bush on layer 2. And that way our guy will walk in front of the bush. And now let's say we want to put this scary thing behind the bush. We can do that. Can't really see it that great, but that's the principle. So, okay. Let's go ahead and add this here on layer 1. And let's add it on layer 0. And let's add this on layer 2. Okay. Yes. Alright. That is how you add different layers. That's pretty much it, as long as you don't want something to collide with something. Let's say that we wanted to have a crate that he could collide with and that he could move. So let's use a physics material. Ice is slippery. Crate, and that will be a movable crate. Alright, that is the end of this video on basic tile painting. Thanks very much. In the next one, I will show you how to actually upload your sprite sheets. So tune in for the next one. Thanks. Bye.